Okay, the first thing I'd like to know is, you see this positioning right here? We have that area right there, and this is lined up right in the middle of it. Well, it turns out that's the high point. And you can tell by holding something small in there, turning the flywheel, oops, right there, and you can feel it. As soon as you turn it one way, it starts dropping. As soon as you turn it the other way, it starts dropping. So that's the high point. So I want to make note of that. I was going to mark it with a magic marker or permanent marker, but I suppose I could right down here. I might do that, yeah. But right there is the spot. That's the high point. Okay, the other thing I'd like to note is I just received my special Stihl flywheel puller, and this saw was not listed as one of the saws it would work on, but there was another saw that was listed, which was listed on another one in Germany that did work. So I concluded that, plus I measured the threads in there and they appeared to be 22 millimeters when I converted my inch measurement to millimeters. And sure enough, it does fit. I screwed it on. I'm not going to do it now, but I can put a wrench on this, turn this down. I should be able to pop that up, and then we can get a look and see what's underneath here that these wires go to. So I'm really happy that fits, and I can pull it off. And yes, there are ways, they showed hitting the center rod that would pop the flywheel loose. I've been tapping on it. I've been putting penetrating oil on it, and it just is not coming up. I've been gently prying a little bit, but I don't want to pry much. But it just hasn't come up, and I don't feel like smacking it too hard, so I decided for less than $15 I'm ordering this. I felt there was a good chance it would fit, but I wasn't sure, and even the people selling it weren't sure. But I'm very happy to say that I think it was a 22 millimeter and 26 millimeter. And then the bolt goes down the center. It does fit the 048 AV. Maybe I can pull it off here with my hand. Yeah. So all it does is screw into these outside threads right here. And then the bolt comes down through and pulls the flywheel up and pushes down. So it works. It fits. So beautiful. Well, I'm going to call it a night for now. I just got it. I was excited to test it. But the key, you also got to remember, right there is the high point. Not there, not there, right there. So I want to make sure I get that flywheel back down in the same position. Okay, we'll come back at this later, and I'm hoping we can pop that off and see what's underneath. Because I did download the manual, and the different saws listed, it did not show that part. But I know it's there. I know there's something. I did see someone else remove it in one of the videos, but they didn't mention much about it.